What's going on, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks, put you at advantage on the market. The next up is AMC, or ticker symbol AMC. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're on the daily interval. This allows us to see the overall direction and picture that our stock is in. This helps us find our support and resistance line, our entry, our target, and all that other good stuff. Okay, so that's why we never want to start from a smaller time frame. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into where we're at right now. We're down almost 2%. The market just opened about 15 minutes ago, you guys. So let me go ahead and zoom in. This top line represents our major resistance line, and that can be tested. You guys can see over here we were rejected, over here we were rejected, and down here is our major support line. This is an area we tend to bounce from or react from. You can see that we came down, bounced off this level, bounced again, until we started this upward trend, until we hit this minor resistance. And that can be tested as well. We can see the areas that we've been rejected over here, bouncing on the opposite side over here, and this candlestick wick over here. Even this bottoming tail can be considered in that general area. But that's what happened, you guys. It came up, tested this level, and ultimately got rejected because it is a heavily tested area. So as of right now, we are underneath the trend line. So that means that we're starting this downward trend. Even on the RSI, it's starting to look like we're a little bit oversold. However, we still have room to go back down. So more than likely, damn, I'm really trying to get over this cough. I cannot. The ideal entry would be back down here at the 8.56 area or the $9 area, that being the lowest heavily tested area as our support. Other than that, if we do start pulling back up into this resistance area, we can keep our eyes out and watch to see if we have relative strength to break above this. If we can break above this to come up and come back down and retest it as a floor, the $12 or the $12 area would be another great entry. Just as of right now, with the trend that we're in, you guys, it doesn't make sense to get in because you have no idea if we're going to be pulling back up into this resistance and get rejected, or if we continue to get rejected and pull back down to the support area. So this is why I make these videos, so that way I can help you guys find the ideal entries and the safest entries for you guys, instead of you just jumping into a stock, not really sure exactly what you're looking at and all that good stuff. Let me check the volume real quick. We're at 4.8 million, you guys. That's actually not bad. The volume is there, however, it's just the direction that we're in as of right now. So those are the two ideal entries that you have. You know, you can wait for us to pull back down to the $8.50 area. Have your stop loss below that, maybe underneath this candlestick wick. So at the $8 area would be a good stop loss area. So if we do break below this and you get tagged out, we know we know to wait for a better entry. And then if, like I said, if we do start pulling back up into this resistance area, that's when we're going to watch and to see if we have relative strength to break above this and to come back down. So if that does happen, your $12 entry would be obviously right here, and your stop loss underneath that, maybe around the 11.30 area, and then your first target being back up here at the highest resistance at the 14.43 area. So if we do pull back down here, your entry would be around the $8.60 or 50-cent area, and then your first target being back up here at the highest resistance at the 11.96 or $12 area. So I like to make these videos as fast and as efficient as possible. If you learned something, or if it even helped just a little bit, please hit that like and subscribe button. I create this content every single day for you guys, so it really means a lot to me. Okay. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.